Hello, this is the interactive stop motion that I work on during my final year of college. I don't have the exact video that shows step by step how to build it, but this video show you how it works, and I also have some picture of the parts that I use to assemble it. I'll be showing you that later on. This is the interactive part where you have to spin the handle and it will play the slideshow. This is a solid PVC that I use to make the main component that spin the slide together. And after I finish this part, I just staple the picture to that metal white part until I fill it up with all the slide. And at the end again, I got a separate video showing you how it works again. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. At the end, I will add a digital version of the animation. Stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching.